The long and short of long haul. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a phrase you might have heard quite a few times, long haul. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it. Let's get started. Long haul originally comes from the world of transportation and logistics. Imagine a truck carrying goods over a great distance. That's a long haul. It essentially means 1. A journey or trip over a great distance. 2. Something that requires extended effort or commitment over time. While the literal meaning is about physical distance, long haul has been adopted into everyday English to describe anything that requires a prolonged effort or commitment. Examples: 1. Relationships. We're in it for the long haul. Means they're committed to making the relationship last a long time. 2. Business projects. This is a long-haul project. Suggests that the project will take a significant amount of time and effort to complete. To help you grasp the concept, let's look at some example sentences. 1. I'm prepared for the long haul of medical school. The person is ready for the extended effort required to complete medical school. 2. It's not a sprint, it's a long haul. It's a reminder that the task or journey at hand is not a quick one and will require sustained effort. There you have it. Long haul isn't just about the distance. It's about commitment, persistence, and a journey that extends over time. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. Happy learning, and remember, language mastery is a long haul worth the effort.